to the show, everyone. I'm Kari Diaz.
And I'm Sarah Jenkins.
And I'm Laura Murray. Thank you so much for joining us today. It's Friday. It's one of our favorite days. It's Foodie Friday.
Foodie Friday,
love
my
Foodie
fave.
Friday.
I want every day to be Foodie Friday.
Same.
There you go. And today is National Chicken Wing Day.
Oh, even better. So
there
I'm
you
a
go.
big fan of wings. Do you guys have a favorite type of chicken wing?
I do like boneless wings.
Yeah,
That's my
I
favorite
was
kind.
just going
That's
to
the
say
key.
that. If it's not boneless, I'm not a huge fan
Yeah.
of it.
And I like to
love
drench it
Korean
in
barbecue.
ranch.
Oh, ranch. Yeah. See, I'm all about the Korean barbecue spices.
There you go.
Ooh,
Yeah.
those are good too.
Very
I
good.
love it.
There you go.
Okay, so if
That's
you're
what you should eat today.
Yes, you
After the
should.
wings, though, you gotta
Yes.
clean up your makeup, right?
you may need to redo your lipstick after you're eating those chicken wings. So today's also National Lipstick Day. So we're showing
So fun. We're big
a
fans
bunch
of
of
that, too.
different. Yes, we are fans of lipstick and chicken. We are, right? So I'm going to show
combo.
4 steps on how to achieve that perfect bright lip. Because I know it can be intimidating when you're not used to wearing a bright lip. You think, oh my goodness, what color should I wear so I'm not looking like a clown? And if you don't want to do a bright red, that's okay. There are so many different colors that you can choose from. Maybe like a coral, like a light violet, a purple. You know, there's so many different colors. So first step. That is a big one that I think people forget is exfoliate your lips, because
I always forget to do that.
Yeah.
well, it's it's not something that's in like your normal routine every day, but it really does help, especially if you're doing a bright lip, so it doesn't like stick to the dry skin. So one of my tips is use a toothbrush. You can use
okay.
a really
I would never
soft
think to
one.
do that. I love that.
You
so
don't want
soft
to use
is key.
Yeah, soft is key. Don't use one that's like too rough. Lightly scrub, and then Elf. Which is a really cheap brand. They have it's like a lipstick. It's an exfoliator, so you can just use like chapstick and then moisturize. So that's kind of the first step. So exfoliate, and then next step is you're going to want to line, if you're doing a bright lip, with a nude liner
I am
right
the
around the
model.
lips.
With our model right
Yes.
here.
So you want to take a liner kind of right around the lips to avoid the bleeding of the color, because
This is
it can.
also a step that I often will skip. So this is so good that I'm learning this.
And Allura doesn't have like fine lines and things, but if you are someone that has fine lines, it can kind of bleed into the lines. Okay, so next step. If you aren't comfortable with using maybe your finger for lipstick, because it can be a little clunky, use a lip brush.
Here we go. The minute Kari was like, does someone want to model for me? I was like, me. Kari is like
You're
a
my
makeup
guinea pig always.
Good at makeup.
I was like, please me.
I don't know about that.
I need
Okay.
all the tips.
Okay, so just use, I bought actually a really cheap one. It's an Elf brand at Target. So I just apply with a lip brush.
That's such a pretty color. I feel like this color would look good on almost anyone, truly. But I think that sometimes it's intimidating with the bright, like you were talking about, we get used to the same colors we wear all the time, and maybe
fun
you're a
to
little
mix it up.
daunted. It's so fun to mix it up. We were talking before the show. I even have a couple like violet
that
colored
together.
ones that I love to
Ooh,
wear.
violet is really pretty on people. Okay, let's
It's
see.
fun, it's different. I think you just
Look at
don't
how
be daunted.
pretty
Look at
that is on you. Okay, and
Aw.
last step.
It helps
Take
that the model's already stunning.
It does.
but-
She doesn't need any help. Last step. This is a big one. Take a concealer stick and kind of clean up around the lines. So this will also set it in. Okay, here and here. And then you can take a brush and just blend it in.
This is so cool, and it gives you that whole beautiful, complete look. I want to mention that it being National Lipstick Day, lots of retailers are giving you discounts, so be sure to check out Ulta, Buxom, lots of different brands, or just go online.
Voila.
Voila, beautiful.
I'm like,
Look
is
at
that what a
good
lip
girl.
model would do?
Happy National
You're killing
Lipstick
it.
Day. Yes, well, we have an amazing show, so let's get it started.